Hi, happy morning, everyone. Welcome to Metier YouTube channel. I hope you're all fine and preparing well for your upcoming NORCET exams. I am honored and happy to announce that from our Metier Academy current CRE exams, more than 300 students have provisionally selected for this CRE exams, and congrats to all of them. Okay, today we are going to see about an important topic which is not related to our nursing, which is related to the general knowledge. General knowledge is also part of the NORCET exam. You all know that. So please kindly focus on that part for some particular period of time. Okay. Important MCQs today related to the general knowledge. Before starting the session, I'll start with a small quote. Learning is 80% of understanding and 20% of reading. So while you're reading the particular topic, kindly understand what the subject it is. Okay. And the content you have to understand first. Then if you read again, then it will be easy for you to remember during the exam period. So whenever you're studying about a particular topic, you have to make a mind imaginary about that particular topic so that you can easily understand and you can easily remember when you are attempting the exams. Okay. So learning is what? 80% is understanding, 20% is reading. Okay. We'll start today's session. So today we are going to see about general knowledge. The first question, who is the new chairman of ISRO? What is ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. So the options are Dr. S. Somnath, Dr. K. Sivan, Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Dr. B. Narayanan. Who is the new chairman of ISRO? So the correct answer is Dr. V. Narayanan. Option D, Dr. V. Narayanan. He is currently appointed as a new ISRO chairman, and when the date is also important. So they announced on Jan 8, but he started as a ISRO chairman is a duty from Jan 14th. Okay. So before that, who was that? He is a 11th ISRO chairman. Dr. V. Narayanan is a 11th ISRO chairman. So we'll see. So these are the previous chairmen according to their tenure. So first chairman of ISRO is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai from 1963 to 1971. So coming to the Dr. S. Somnath from Jan 2022 to till before the Dr. V. Narayanan. Okay, before Jan 8, Dr. S. Somnath is a 10th ISRO chairman who take place in the ISRO. Okay, so according to the question, a new chairman of ISRO is Dr. V. Narayanan. The date is Jan 14. He started a duty from Jan 14. The government, the ISRO announced on Jan 8. Okay. So next question. Who is the 26th RBI governor? Who is the 26th RBI governor? Options, Mr. Shaktikanta Das, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, Mr. Urjit Patel, Mr. Raghuram Rajan. Who is the 26th RBI governor? The correct answer is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, and he is a current RBI governor. He is a 26th RBI governor as well as he is a current RBI governor. When did he join? From December 2024, he is a governor of RBI. Okay. So previously, who are the governors of RBI? You can see Sanjay Malhotra is a 26th. 25th, Mr. Shaktikanta Das is a 25th. Who is the first RBI governor? Sir Osborne Smith. He is a British banker who was RBI governor when pre-independently. He is a governor of RBI. Sir Osborne Smith. Currently, we have 26th RBI governor is Mr. Malhotra. Okay. So that is a correct answer. So next question. In which aircraft Sunita Williams reached the space? The options, Falcon 9, Boeing Starliner, Gulfstream 3, P3 Orion. So you have to read the question carefully. Everyone think that when did the Sunita reach the Earth? That is a different question. Here the question is, when did which aircraft Sunita Williams reach the space? The correct answer is it's option B, Boeing Starliner. So Boeing Starliner is a correct option where the Sunita Williams and one more astronaut who reached the space orbit with the help of Boeing Starliner. So remaining also NASA from NASA aircrafts only, that Falcon 9, Gulfstream 3, P3 Orion, though those also are a kind of an aircraft. But Sunita Williams reached the space with the help of Boeing Starliner. So little more points add on to this question. When did they launch this Boeing Starliner? June 5th, 2024 at 10:52 a.m. 10:52 a.m. from where? From Space Launch Complex 41, that is SLC 41 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, that is our USA. Okay, so this is a launch site. So now we are clear about the date and time, when did it launch this Boeing and from where. Next, so what is the rocket which carried this Boeing? That is United Launch Alliance, that is ULA Atlas 5 rocket. So sometimes they may ask this question also, okay? So who are the crew members? The astronaut's name is called Barry Wilmore. The nickname is Butch, that Barry Wilmore. And Sunita Williams, the nickname is Suni, okay? They are the crew members of this Boeing. So coming to the mission, what is the mission of this Boeing Starliner? To test the Starliner crew flight in the space and also to test a mission to the International Space Station. Okay. Coming to the important point, when did they reach it? With the help of which spacecraft? So with the Sunita Williams and the Barry Wilmore reached the Earth with the help of SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, which splashed where? In which sea? That coast of Tallahassee. The coast of Tallahassee, which is in the Florida. When? Wednesday, March 2025, 18th March of 2025, they have reached the Earth in the coast of Tallahassee, which present in the Florida. So totally 9 months, Barry Wilmore and Sunita Williams stayed there. Totally 9 months from June 5 to March 18. Clear? So next. So what is the name of the second guided missile destroyer which has been commissioned into the Indian Navy? Second guided missile. First guided missile is INS Rajput. Okay, that is first. What is the name of the second guided missile destroyer? The options are INS Vajram, INS Kochi, INS Kolkata, INS Mumbai. The correct option is INS Kochi, which is present in the naval space area in the Kochi. The ship motto is Jahi Satrun Mahabaho. That means that it's a Sanskrit motto word. It's prevail over the enemy, succeed over the enemy. That is the motto of this INS Kochi. We'll see about this INS Kochi. This INS Kochi is a ship. Okay, it's a warship. It is placed in the INS Venturuthi, which is located in Wellington Island in the Kochi. It is a serve as a headquarters of the Southern Naval Command. It is the largest training establishment in the Indian Navy. INS Garuda also is located nearer to this INS Venturuthi. Okay. It's a Commodore Deepak Kumar is a commanding officer of this base. Okay. So coming to the INS Kochi, the other name of this warship is D-64. Important. Okay. A warship of the Indian Navy, which is commissioned on September 30, 2015. So what is this main thing about, very peculiar about this INS Kochi D-64? Whenever the other country trying to destroy our country or warship with their air missile, those air missile will be targeted by this INS Kochi, okay, which is built by Mazagon Dock Limited in Mumbai. So the name is INS Kochi. Is a second guided missile destroyer. Clear? Okay. Coming to the last question of this today's session, which technique is used in Prayagraj to create dense forest for Mahakumbh 2025? Recently, everybody knows that Mahakumbh Mela which happened in the Prayagraj, right? That is in the UP, right? So which technique used for to make a forest before the Mahakumbh 2025? The options are Miyawaki technique, hydroponics, permaculture, agroforestry. The correct answer is a Miyawaki technique. Miyawaki, what is Miyawaki technique? It's a technique which is discovered by the Japanese botanist Akira Miyawaki. So what is that thing is that which is within the small space, we can plant more trees. Okay, that is the main method is a Miyawaki technique. Not only that, within the small space, many trees, right? That is the first thing. Second one, those many trees will take 100 years to grow. But with this Miyawaki technique, within a 10 years period, we can grow a dense of forest. So that is the Miyawaki technique. So why they used in this Mahakumbh? In Mahakumbh Mela, many peoples will gather. There is a chance of pollution. To reduce this pollution, to absorb more carbon, to make an ecological balance, our Indian government have used this Miyawaki technique, which is Japanese, who developed by Japanese botanist called Akira Miyawaki. Okay, so more than 1.2 lakh trees, various species of trees will be planted within the small area. Okay, that is Miyawaki technique. Okay, that's all about today's session. I hope you gained some new knowledge about today's session. Thank you all. If you like this session, please press like button. Please share to your friends who are newly joined in the nursing or who is preparing for the nursing competitive exams. These videos will be helpful for them. We will upload more videos as well as how to apply for the upcoming exams also. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you all.